Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the type of block and starting the official appeal. This matters because disabled accounts follow a specific review path. Once you know it's disabled, gather a government photo ID and any screenshots or emails showing your account name and activity. Make sure to open the exact Facebook page that shows the disabled notice, because you'll need the error text or reference ID. Then prepare to fill out the appeal form precisely, matching names and dates to your documents to avoid delays. You now complete the appeal form carefully. Type your legal name and the email or phone linked to the account exactly as shown on Facebook. When uploading your ID, use a clear photo, no glare, and include both front and back if requested. Facebook accepts JPG, PNG, and PDF. In the explanation field, briefly state the timeline and why you believe the disabled decision was incorrect, focusing on facts, not emotion. After submitting, monitor the email you provided for confirmation and next steps. You finish by tracking the review and preparing to act if needed. Expect a response in 3 to 14 days, so check your inbox and spam folder and revisit the appeals portal for status updates. If the appeal is denied, you can request a secondary review or resubmit with clearer documentation and a concise statement of ownership. If nothing changes, document every submission and timestamp for future reference. A key troubleshooting tip: when denied, improve evidence quality and clarify identity matches rather than repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.